Vegas has always been a special kind of place. And the 50s? That was a special kind of special. The casinos, the music, the mob, and the government, who liked the open desert space for running scientific experiments. If you were in the right place, right time, you could even see one in action. The fine establishments made sure to include this as part entertainment experience. Full house, music playing, drinks moving, then head outside or up to the rooftop to wait for the sky to light up like a cherry. They were testing the atomic bomb. Ooh! But it came with a tasty number, the drink of the night, the atomic cocktail. 1 ounce vodka, 1 ounce cognac, a 1/4 ounce sherry, topped with champagne, sparkling wine, or a dry prosecco. Stir the first 3 ingredients with ice and pour into a coupe. Because if you're going to stand on a rooftop and watch the sky light up, you don't do it empty-handed.